how a single candle can define the light and also define the darkness. And if you look at the story I'm going to tell you, there was a surfer who wanted to do something big in life when she grows up. And once in an accident, she lost her left arm. Losing an arm for a surfer is a very big challenge because, as you know, they surf on the water surface, and it is one thing which requires your balance. Also, you go against the resistance of the air. But there is a problem. The problem is, if your determination is high, the problem cannot be identified. And this surfer, within 9 weeks of this accident, was back to surfing. She worked on it for next 3 years, competed at the state level, the national level, international level, and finally ended up breaking few records. In one of the tough competitions, where she finished first, the time that she clocked, one of the judges said it was practically impossible if you look at the wind speed which is against the surfing. And you know what? They evaluated that how is it possible by physics to achieve that kind of level. So if you nullify it, was almost like a world record. And then came a physicist who said, this can only happen when one side of your body is doing all the work for a surfing. So there is darkness, there is light, and there is one light, that is you, which is the light of all the lights. The girl was surfing only with the right side because she lost her left hand, left arm due to the accident. Thank you.